Okay, here's how to replace the power harness on the FG100 through 300 series. We're going to do the 200 today. The power harness just has a couple extra wires, but it's the same basic installation. So the power harness, the cord, and the GFI on the cord is all one unit. So you're going to be replacing that whole harness right there. So to do that, start by taking the cover off. 2 screws here, 2 screws underneath the handle. The other thing you need to remove is this nut right here that holds the oil fill tube that goes down into the pump. You can't get the cover off with that on. Okay, now that we have the cover off, let's take off these 2 harnesses right here. Okay, now that we have the cover free, you're going to want to take off this box right here. Now to do that, there's 2 screws on the underside. Don't turn the pump upside down to get to those because you're going to spill oil. Best way to do it is hang it off the edge, hold on to it, have a friend hold on to it, whatever, and then get underneath here, take these 2 screws off, and that'll loosen this box here. Once you do that, disconnect this portion here that goes from the circuit board over to the box. Take that apart. Take off this small little harness right here. You've also got 4 other wires. You're going to have to cut these, strip them back, connect them with the new wires that are on your new harness here, and then put a small wire nut over top of the connection. After you've done that, then you've replaced the complete power harness assembly. Put this 2 screws back in that holds the box in. As I say, reconnect all of these wires, the one that goes from the circuit board down to the box. Be careful when you're putting this together that you observe the correct alignment as those pins go in, because you don't want to bend those pins. So now we're ready to put the cover back on. Okay, now that you have the new wire harness in, let's connect these 2 harnesses here. The way to not put this one in backwards, the one that has the rainbow colored stripes on it, just make sure the red on each side or the black on each side line up. Plug it in. This one here is for the water sensor. This one you have to be careful. The side with the little plastic release, and this side that have the 2 little ribs on it, those are the ones that mate. Put it in slowly and carefully. You don't want to bend those pins. If you bend the pins, then your pump is not going to work. Okay, now on the other side here where you can't see, I'm going to put the cord, rubber grommet back into the side of the body, and we're going to set the cover back on like so. Okay, now all that's left, let's put these screws back in here. Put the nut back into the oil fill tube, tighten it up. These long ones back here, make sure that this is all lined up good and tight. Give them a couple drops so you see it drop down into the you'll see it when it drops in. It'll be down below this recess right here. Tighten everything up. That's it. One last thing, don't over tighten any of these screws. Give them a gentle snug, all 4 of these. Go too tight, you risk breaking the cover, cracking it.